So my secret weapon for preventing makeup transfer is mineral veil. So the first thing that you'll want to do is actually take a really large quantity of mineral veil. Take your sponge and just pick up in the cap. Tap off the excess. You're using this pressing and rolling motion to extend makeup wear, absorb all of the excess emollients. So you can already see that the creasing on the eyelid starts to smooth out a little bit. And don't worry if there's already a crease there. All you need to do is smooth it out with your finger and then just go back over and press and roll that product on. We also have a hydrating formula that will not only lock in wear, but also contains rice lipids to help hydrate and keep the skin moist and smooth throughout the day. Another one of my favorite ways to utilize mineral veil is actually underneath makeup. Especially this is a great tip for oilier skin types. And so normally I would use something like the core coverage brush to just tap and press into the T-zone before applying my favorite liquid or powder product. In the absence of tools on the selling floor, however, what I'll do is actually show you how to do the same thing utilizing our sponge. So you'll just load your sponge once more. Again, don't be afraid to use too much product. You can always dust it away at the end. And just press and roll into the areas that you know you're going to need a little bit of extra insurance throughout the day. And you can see already how it instantly smooths out texture and it blurs the look of pores.